Hello, Data and Skill Explorers. Welcome to DivKLearner, a bit forward daily. So, what we were doing were we were exploring the queries from different tools, and we were asking two questions, two major questions. One was that what is database in the SQL Server, and the second one was that how to create a database. So, till yesterday, I was not able to work on the Gemini because of the issues that I was facing in the Google Chrome, and it was not getting updated, which I've been able to do yesterday, and it is working now. So here I'm going to write on the question, the first question that we have, and we are going to execute it. So we'll wait till it gives us the explanation of it. So it is saying that what is a database? A database is a concept of SQL Server and is essentially an organized collection of data and the structure that it manages. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet that not only store files, the data, but also keeps track of how these files are related to each other, making them easy to find, update, and manage. So this is what it has given us. The explanation. We'll go through all the explanation, but at the moment, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and paste it here in the output of the query. Then I will click on the word wrap so it doesn't go and do the word wrap. And today is 25th, so I'm just going to scroll down, and this would be 25th. Similarly for the other one, and I'll copy these two things and paste it here. This would be day 3. I think I've missed for day 1. I'll day 3, right? I've updated everything for day 1, but day 2, where I was checking for the other things from the other tool, which is none other than the fifth tool, Copilot. So that is missing. I'll try to find that out and I'll try to put it here as well. And then we'll try to work on it. Now, the first thing it has given us is given us the definition. The second is we'll ask it to give us the steps so that we can create the database. And let's see how it does. While it is doing it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the SSMS, that is the SQL Server Management Studio, so that I can check that whether the things are working for me as expected or not. So I've just opened the SSMS and I've clicked on new query. Here are the other tables that we had created. We had created one for Copilot as well. And here it is giving us the explanation. Here it is saying that I can create the project with the name. So what I'm going to do is I've already clicked on new query. So I'm going to just paste it and change its name to Gemini and School DB. And I'm just going to execute it so that it creates the database for me. Refresh it here, and I see my database being created with that command. So we are good till now. All the commands that we have seen are working, and I'm going to copy this and paste it in the Excel. Oh, okay, not like this. I'll just go into this and then I'll paste it and then change the word wrap so that it remains there and save it. I think I missed yesterday's data, so what I can do is I can go into the info, I can manage and browse for unsaved files. So here you will see that it is telling me that I saved something yesterday which I did not save. So it will be giving me some entries for the file. Even if you check here, if you go to the file and you go to info, it is saying yesterday when closing without saving. So here I have those two entries there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy those two entries and put it in this file and save it. The dates can go up and down, that's fine. We can manage it later. But now I'm just going to close this, the file that I did not save yesterday, and I'm going to save this so I have all the data there, right? So basically, if I want to change the dates, what I can do is I can control X and I can control a V here. So it will paste it, and I'll delete this thing. And to get the numbers right, I'll do a double click here so that I get everything correct. So now it is in the correct process. So this is day 2 and this is day 3. So we have found out from all the 5 different AI tools that it is working. All the commands are working as per the expectation, as per what we have learned there, right? So tomorrow we'll be talking about how we'll be working on understanding them and giving them the accuracy and the clarity. So I can say the execution is NA, that is not applicable, but this is yes. This is not applicable. Sorry, this is not applicable. The other one is not applicable as well because we are just asking the explanation. But this is yes because it created the database. Yes and yes. Not applicable. Yes. Not applicable. Yes. So we saw from all of them, we were able to get the queries executing to create the tables, right? Create the database. So tomorrow we'll be checking how we can create the tables, and then we'll be moving to the other queries. So for this particular example, I'll be creating 2 tables. So I'll be creating 2 tables. One is for the students. The other one is for their marks for 1 year, right? That consists of 4 different categories, right? Unit 1, half yearly, or we say midterm. Unit 2, and finals. So there would be 2 tables. We'll check if we want 4 tables. I'll prefer starting with 2 tables, and then we will try to insert the value as well. So that is what we are going to do. We'll keep on giving the scores as well. And at the end, after we have done this, we'll be working on creating the Power BI. So just before I end, because that's what I wanted to show, I wanted to tell you that this particular series is for freshers and people who are new to SQL. Earlier, I used to get scared of SQL a lot when I was initially learning about it, but it is not very tough. You can just follow me for next 30 to 60 days and you will know almost most of the things in the SQL server. So this journey would take us the, together. We'll be learning about the basics of SQL till the advanced feature of it. So जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था कि हम इसको बेसिक से शुरू करके एडवांस तक लेके जाएंगे अगले 30 या 60 दिन तक अगर आप मेरे साथ रहेंगे तो we'll be able to work on it. We'll be able to understand कैसे SQL काम करती है, SQL में क्या करते हैं, कौन कौन सी कमांड चाहिए होती है, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं इसमें आपको करके दिखाऊंगा. ये उन लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है जो बिल्कुल फ्रेशर्स हैं SQL के बारे में, क्योंकि मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आप SQL सर्वर को इंस्टॉल करते हैं. वो मैंने आपको बता दिया है, एज इन यू कैन जस्ट इंस्टॉल इट एज दी सॉफ्टवेयर. SSMS के बारे में बता दिया है कि कैसे आप उसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, और इसके बाद हम कैसे डेटाबेस क्रिएट करते हैं, कैसे टेबल क्रिएट करते हैं, कैसे टेबल के अंदर वैल्यूज़ को इंसर्ट करते हैं, कैसे हमारी डेटाबेस बनती है, वो सारी चीज़ें बताऊंगा. फिर कैसे उसको हम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं एक पावर बीआई के अंदर, वो भी मैं आपको एंड में बताऊंगा. बट ये पूरी जर्नी जो है ये अगले 30 से 60 दिनों में हम पूरी करेंगे. तो अगर अगर आई विल गेट एटलीस्ट 50 yes इन दी कमेंट्स, अगर मुझे 50 कमेंट्स में 50 यस मिल गए तो मैं इस पूरे सेशन को लाइव सेशन बना दूंगा. And then what you can do is you can be there with me, you can ask me questions, and we'll able to answer, or we'll try to answer all your queries so that it can be helpful for you. So what, as I was saying, that if I get 50 yes in the comments of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create or make this video live 5 days a week, and then you can either be present on the live chat there, or you can still be watching it as a recording. And in that live session, I'll also take some questions if you have any. So with that, I want to say that if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. अगर ये कॉन्सेप्ट और वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. मैं आपका स्किल और डेटा एक्सप्लोरर पेयर डिव के लर्नर, अ बिट फॉरवर्ड डेली. आई एम योर data and skill explorer peer, DivKLearner, a bit forward daily. Bye for now, but until then, keep exploring, keep churning.